Bella, count down.
1 peso. Keep them coming here.
Take the tale of two cowboys, Slim and Bella, two friends who rode the range together.
Actually, I'm going to hurry up and down there that I'm not game. I come and go rob a wholesale in the area.
Everywhere. A long time if you push up. Me have to beat up a boy a while ago.
Beat up which boy? My youth, you don't know we not beat people, man. Not even pick me, we not beat. We wait till them grow big and kill them, brother.
Fist, man. We're not afraid of people. And the money's there, right? That's all. Why you want?
Briefcase,
You want? Mine, you know. Mine yourself, you know, youth. You know who you're there around, you know who you play with.
Sharing dreams of gold and glory. They were the best of partners, always plotting their next heist, always chasing that elusive big score.
The boy hand lean. That's when me wheel off and put back couple of times.
Shoot out under the sun.